How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. And a little bit while ago, I don't know, a few months ago, I picked up the Zoom M3 MicTrak. It's this contraption here, using the internal audio for it now. It's 32-bit float internal recording, and also can be used as a on-camera microphone or just a recorder by itself, not connected to anything, as you can see. And it's kind of a handy tool and really good quality sound. So what I did this morning, I woke up, couldn't sleep, about, I don't know, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, and birds were singing outside, chirping in the backyard. So I took this out just by itself, no camera or anything, and was going to experiment with it and see how it did for field recording. And I have to think it did a pretty good job. Right here is the results of that. I threw some bird pictures up just since I didn't have any video to go with it. But check it out and let me know what you think. So yeah, the sky's the limit on what you can do with one of these recorders, whether it's a Zoom portable recorder or this Zoom M3 MicTrak. They work pretty much the same way. This one just happens to double as a shotgun microphone if you want. On my other channel, we do we film trains, put train videos up, and I had the MicTrak out for one of those and recorded a train passing. And this is quality stuff that you could probably sell as sound effects. Check this one out. All right, so we've recorded trains with it. We've recorded birds with it at 4 o'clock in the morning. The Zoom M3 MicTrak, very versatile little tool. Right here, see? Look, mono wires. I was going to walk in the woods and give you an idea of what it can do in a quiet area with nature sounds. Of course, we're right next to a busy road, so that might not work out exactly the way we wanted, but just sit here and listen. Tell you what, I did not miss all this traffic noise when we were down at the Shawnee National Forest last weekend. Wish me luck. I mean, with amazing clarity, amazing the clean audio that you get from this thing is just fantastic. So, hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. If you're considering buying it, by all means, I highly recommend it. I bought it as soon as I watched some of the tests that were done on YouTube channels. I plan on using it a lot for both of my channels and whatever else. You know, it's a microphone, it's a field recorder. It's kind of everything mixed into one. It's not cheap, but it's certainly far from the most expensive thing you can buy as well. I think when I bought it, it was $199 or something like that. So cheaper than a expensive Rode microphone, but it does a lot more, and it sounds just as good in my opinion. All right, that's going to do it for our little test of the Zoom M3 MicTrak. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was helpful to you, and we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This channel's kind of been around a couple of years, haven't done much with it. Going to try to bring it back to life. So like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.